Hello guys, it's George. Welcome to George Basics. In today's video I want to show you guys how to buy Super Floki Token on Trustwallet. But before we start, please remember that this is not financial advice, it's just video tutorial how to buy this token, and please do a research before you decide you want to buy or not. So let's begin our tutorial. First of all, let's go to CoinMarketCap and check out this token. You should go to search bar and type Super Floki. Here is our token. Okay, open this token. You can see the analytics and the charts here, and this will help you to make the decision. So now we need, guys, to open Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet, you can download it from Google Play or App Store for free. And after you download, then go through verification. After you go through verification, then open Trustwallet, and now you need to buy BNB. Because to buy Super Floki, you need to swap your BNB. So first of all, go to BNB and buy it, or you can just receive it from any other crypto markets. And then when you will have BNB on your Trustwallet account, now you should go back to CoinMarketCap. Here down below you can see this contract address, which is Binance Smart Chain address. You should click this copy icon and then go back to Trustwallet. Now click the apps, scroll a little bit down and choose Pancakeswap. Now you should click the connect button in the top right corner and then choose Trustwallet. Now you should click select currency, paste this contract address we copied few seconds ago, and click import. Understand and import. Now guys, we need to set slippage tolerance to 13. Okay, and then you should choose the amount of Super Floki token you want to buy and then swap your BNB to it. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and of course don't forget to like this video.